Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Coletto Pen Shop. Isn't this adorable? Has a little hedgehog in a cup, and I did not know. I thought, what in the world? I didn't think I ordered anything from them, so I went ahead and opened it up because I wasn't sure, and I saw this, which is awfully cute. And then I thought, oh gosh, I better wait and see what this is because it has a note on it and it says, "Enjoy, Tammy," and it has a little note to myself, and then it says, "Merry Christmas from Lisa Lorraine." So Lisa sent this to me, and I don't know exactly what it is yet, but I thought that I would check this out. And Lisa is the person who is the owner of Lisa Lorraine Plans, and I have been a PR gal for her for a little while now, and my tenure is up at the end of the year, so I thought this was really sweet of her. Look how cute that washi is. So I don't know what in the world she ordered for me, but how sweet is that? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is one of those pens that you can change. Oh my gosh. So look at this. It is, I know these pens, but I don't remember what it's called. Oh, there's a little haiku in here. And these are the, oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. And then this one is a Coletto, that's what it is. It looks like this one writes silver. And then here are all the different colors. And this is what the design is on the pen. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, what is this? It's a little chain with a flower on it. And then I think that you can make this whatever color you want. How cool is this? I've never seen anything like this. So you pull these out, I suppose, and you can put whatever colors you want in here. So let's see how you do this. All right, so let's do the silver and the gold. I used to have these kind of pens when I was a kid. I thought they were the coolest things ever. Silver and gold, but you couldn't design it yourself then. They just came with the regular colors. I'm gonna put this fun blue one. Lisa, thank you so much. You are the sweetest. This is really cool. I have a friend who has one of these, but I have never even seen one in real life. Oh, whoops, I put that in the wrong way. There. Silver, gold, blue, and pink. Okay, then let's put this lid back on. And then, oops, I don't think my gold one's in right. There, that feels better. Okay, let's try this again. This is so cool. Thank you very much, Lisa. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Tammy. And it looks like this is just an extra silver one. I bet you that the metallic ones run out fast, or maybe it's special. Let me see. Ooh. Oh, it seems like it must be special somehow. I don't know. Let me try to put this one in instead of this one, maybe. I don't think it has a lead though, or anything. I don't know. I can't read Japanese. Oh, it looks like, if any of you guys know, tell me, but it looks like I'm supposed to take off this maybe. I don't want to break it. But see how it's like wiggly? Oh, maybe I take off this and then I put lead inside there. I think that's what I do. I'm trying it. I don't know how you get the lead out. Oh gosh, there was already lead in there apparently. Holy cow. I don't know how this is supposed to work. If any of you guys know, Please tell me. Because I can tell this is supposed to be a pencil. I just don't know how to get it out. Or get the lead out. Get the lead out, man. What if I went the wrong way? It doesn't feel like I can go that way. I don't know. I'm going to leave the lead in here. And I'm going to put that one away because I don't know how to do it yet. But I'm sure that one of you guys know how. Or I can probably YouTube it and figure out what in the world I'm doing wrong. And it says it's a 0.5, and that's the size lead I put in there. So I should be okay with that. But I am going to go ahead and put this back in its little case. Like that. And I will leave that in there. And I will go ahead and put the silver back on here. But how cool is this? Thank you so much, Lisa. This is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. And it's fun. You can be so creative with it. And I love the design. And I love this case. This is awesome. Wow, that is so cool. And it says Mary Quant. Oh my gosh, and I didn't even realize it's a flower and a nail polish. That's what those are. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Oh, I feel like a princess. And this is made by Pilot. Thank you so much, Lisa. I really appreciate it. Merry Christmas to you. This is so cool. I am going to play with this for sure. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and have a wonderful day. And I'm wondering if this, oh, I think it hooks on here somehow. If you guys know where this hooks on too, let me know. Maybe there? No, it doesn't look like it's clear. I could just hook it onto one of these. But if you guys know where this goes, let me know and I will put it there. Otherwise, I'm just going to leave it over here for now. But I love it. Thank you very, very much. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye-bye.